Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up for Midjourney subscription. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type midjourney.com. This will land you on the official website of Midjourney where you are going to see two options: join the beta and sign in. So if you haven't already created your account on Midjourney, then you will have to select the first option and it will redirect you on your Discord account where you just have to approve Midjourney. Now if you already have your account, then you will have to click on sign in and then you just have to select your Discord server. Now once you are in your Discord account, you will have to make sure that you have selected Midjourney over here, and here you are going to see a bunch of different channels. Now among these you will have to come to trial support in the left hand side, and on this page if you scroll up a bit you are going to see this section which is we can't give you an estimated time for when trials will be back, but you can check out our subscription plan on our website. So basically currently Midjourney is not providing the trial, so you will have to purchase the subscription. For that you will have to click on this link and then you will be redirected on this subscription plans page. Now over here in the top you are going to see this link which says midjourney.com/account. So you will have to click on this link and then if you already log in into your Midjourney account, you will be redirected on this subscription page. Now over here as you can see that their basic plan starts from $8 per month, their standard plan is of $24 per month, and their pro plan is of $48 per month. So you just have to choose the plan that you want to purchase over here. You can even bill monthly and it will show you their monthly plans. So you just have to select the plan and then you will have to click on the subscribe button. Afterwards, you will be redirected on the payment page where you will be shown how much you need to pay if you have selected the yearly plan. If you have any promo code, then you can add that promo code in this section. Now in the right hand section, you will have to first provide your email address. Then you will have to select your card. You can even pay with Alipay if you have it. If you have selected card, then you need to provide your card information such as your card number, is expiration date, CVV. Then you need to provide your name that is written on the card. After that you will have to provide your billing address and then you need to click on the subscribe button. On the next page you just have to conclude your payment, and this way you will be able to sign up for Midjourney. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.